Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to extend your AI agent capabilities using external APIs. Customers can perform real-time actions such as pulling reports, updating tickets, and modifying records directly through chat with the AI agent, eliminating the need for manual backend steps. Check out the previous videos to get started with the BoldDesk AI Agent. I have planned to add an API action that fetches product details using the product ID. So I scroll down and open the AI Actions page. Here, I click the Create Action dropdown and select the API Action button. By default, actions are available for both the AI Agent and Copilot. But I choose AI Agent option to be specific. Then I choose my preferred brand along with the action name and a brief description. This helps the AI agent to understand the intent of this action. Turn on this Collect Data switch if you want to request data from the customer. Since I will require the order ID, I click the Add Data Input button, which opens the Add Data pop-up. I enter the name and description, so this will be used later in the API. You can also change the data type using the drop-down above. Then I choose the API request type and enter the API URL. BoldDesk supports GET, POST, and PUT API request types. To add API headers, click the Add Key Value Pair button. I will add my key and enter the value. This will be directly used in the API payload. Next, I use this Insert Placeholder option, and I can add the data collected above inside my API URL. Ensure all the data is entered and click Next. The test response page will open, where you can immediately test this AI action. I entered a sample order ID to test the API response. The response will be displayed on the right side. You can confirm and move to the next step. This is where you can control the data access. You can choose between full data access that gives the AI access to the entire response. Limited data access restricts access to specific fields, helping control what the AI can use while protecting sensitive information. I will choose to exclude the SKU number and publish this action. It does not end there. The final step involves adding this action to the AI agent. So I click open the AI agent and navigate to the AI Actions tab. Then, by clicking the Add Action button, I add the action that I just created. And that is how you set up API actions in BoldDesk, unlocking smarter, more dynamic customer support. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.